To make some content from nothing, I would need three things. One is an intent or a theme. Let's say I select nature. Second, some visuals or videos to represent that intent. And third, some audio to match with the video, to match with the visuals and the intent. I am going to go to this website called pexels.com. I'm going to search for nature, go to the videos tab, and then look for all the videos that I think matches with my intent. So I'm going to go with mountains, roads, valleys, trees, flowers, humans inside nature, the sea, water, and of course in the end I'm going to end with the moon, because I'm very fascinated about the moon, because I think the moon plays a very important role in shaping nature as we have it on Earth. So let me select some videos from Pexels. I'm going to download them. I'm going to look for basically anything that appeals to me. Then I'm going to import all of the videos to my edit software, make a project, and import all of them. And just lay them out to form a storyline, to form a line of intent. I'm going to start with a time lapse of dawn. Then I'm going to go to the mountains, maybe go through the roads to valleys, have forests, and then the sea, some people inside nature, feeling at one with nature. In the end, I'm going to end with the moon shot, a shot of the moon, a close-up of the moon that I found from Pexels. Once I'm done editing, I'm going to head over to Beatoven.ai. There's some great music out there, which is compiled by AI. One of the main reasons I'm going to go with Beatoven is because of the Indian genre. It is very difficult to find Indian classical music on the web. Beatoven.ai, thankfully, is one of those places where you get pure Indian classical music, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to start a new track. I'm going to name it Nature. My video is going to be around 3 minutes, so I'm going to select that duration. I'll need a slow tempo to go with my nature visuals. So they have various genres here. They have ambient, electronic, they have cinematic. I could have gone with cinematic, but today I think, I'm going to go with Indian. I love the Indian sounds. I love the classical Indian sounds that they have in their library. There are various moods that I can go with. I could go with calm. Yeah. I could go with cheerful. And I could go with relaxing or joyful. But I think I'm going to start with dreamy, because like I said, it's going to start with a time lapse of night to day. So I think dreamy goes best with that transition of, from sleep to wakefulness. I cancel the first generation because I am going to upload my video. It's a big file. I just want to make a shorter, smaller file so that it's easy to upload. I'm going to drag and drop the video right inside Beatoven.ai, inside the tool. Once that is done, I'm going to make some sections where I can change the mood of the music. So maybe I'll make one cut here, another cut just before this person over here. Yeah, you could make really precise splits by using the zoom tool over here. I'm going to zoom in and cut right here. Zoom right back, and I think I'll make one more cut. I'm going to cut right over here. Let the first section stay in dreamy. The second section, I'm going to change the mood to, say, inspirational. For the third part, I want it to be relaxing, because I have all the water videos, the water visuals here, so I think relaxing goes well with that. I'm going to go with joyful. Once I've made the sections, I can click on compose. So now the AI generates the music. Once that is done, I'm going to start listening to them. sounds really good, but I think I don't want the tabla, the percussion for the first dreamy part. I just want the melody instruments. I don't want the percussion. So I'm going to get rid of the tabla. I can do that by clicking on the piano icon over here, or it's the same thing on the right hand side panel. I have the option for the section where I can click on instruments and deselect tabla. There you go. Sounds really good to me. I love these Indian classical instruments, by the way. Make some changes. I'm going to lock one section and generate the other section to see if I get some other better options. I can generate as many times as I want. I'm going to delete this section because I think I want to have a long middle body. So I'm going to make one long section and then recompose. So it will recompose everything except for the lock part because I've locked that part. It's pretty simple. Sounds really smooth to me. I love how the audio gels with the visual in a way that is extremely satisfactory. Sounds great to me. So I'll just hit download and go to my edit software, just drag and drop the audio here. See how well it fits. It's just perfect in duration. I'll just now export the video. That's it. That's all it takes. It just adds a whole different layer of depth and definition to the video, which is so much better than just having the video alone. So the right music is key to having content that is satisfactory.